It's like strange.
It's the weirdest thing. That's Barry.
Yeah, how big I am.
This is the tree. So, Barry is smaller than the tree.
Have you had a currywurst before?
No, was that?
It comes in curry.
What?
I mean, surprise, surprise.
Okay.
It's a bit much. Have a go.
Are you going to get one?
You're delicate.
Well, I was talking to a mate today, and he said, "Oh, he's getting a currywurst today."
All right.
So, because in Manchester they've got all theirs up as well.
Okay. Yeah.
So
I'm going to get a regular bratwurst or whatever you call it.
I'll be honest with you.
Yeah.
You've put me off. You can't eat it,
I
yeah.
haven't put the sauce on yet.
Have you been nibbling before I took a photo? Oh, cheers, mate.
Cheers.
Thank you. Cheers. If you had to pick one of these, which one would you pick?
Would you go with the Jurassic Park-esque one?
Oh my god, that's
Go on, give him a bigger boo than that. After 3, boo!
Oh, whatever.
Barry, what do you think of Dane Bowers and Panto this year?
I think it's absolutely brilliant.
Can you name any of his songs from another level?
No.
What about that lyric I've just told you?
I want to kiss you up. That's even weirder again.
Now, are you going to sing for us?
Well, I am, but everyone's going to have to join in a little bit.
Yeah,
What do you do? What do you do? I was planning on being there when the lights got switched on, but no way, it's absolutely rammed. Go and get a drink before I may as well have been on an aeroplane looking through a fog and then seeing a slightly lit thing in the background, and that was how far away it was from seeing the tree.
See it now, it's
Yeah.
Wizard's hat.
Wizard's Valentine hat.